Living in the digital age has a profound impact on the way we conduct engineering and scientific analyses. Engineers and data scientists now have access to large amounts of data from a multitude of sources such as simulation, manufacturing, and sensors. As a result, the digital age has levied increasing amounts of uncertainty on the engineers and managers, directly impacting the decision-making process. Uncertainty may arise from approximation or variations, the selection of boundary conditions and initial conditions, or it could be due to deviations in materials, assembly, operating conditions, and wear and tear of finished products. Managers, engineers, data scientists, everyone must ask themselves, how do I account for variability or uncertainty in my decision making? The answer is uncertainty quantification. Accounting for programmatic and technical uncertainties is the first step towards effectively managing and reducing them. The intent of uncertainty quantification is twofold. First, bring efficiencies to the analytical cycle, and second, improve decision-making in the presence of increasing uncertainties. Built from scratch, SmartUQ is the first commercial software for industrial-scale uncertainty quantification analytics designed to bring real-world variability and probabilistic problem-solving to engineering and systems analysis workflows. As a data-agnostic and flexible analytics software, SmartUQ has solved industrial challenges throughout the entire product lifecycle. SmartUQ Software has enabled our Fortune 500 customers to solve some of the most difficult analytics problems in engineering, and in doing so saved them millions of dollars and thousands of hours of work. SmartUQ is currently used in industries as far-ranging as automotive, aerospace, defense, turbomachinery, heavy equipment, medical device, semiconductors, energy, and oil and gas. Let me give you some examples of how uncertainty quantification is used in industry. Controlling manufacturing costs by knowing which tolerances need to be maintained and which ones can be relaxed. Having confidence in meeting the customer's performance requirements by using simulation and uncertainty quantification to predict performance with uncertainties during manufacturing. Applying UQ during design has a long-term favorable impact in reducing manufacturing deviations, rework, scrap, and warranty claims. Know when to replace critical components before they fail by predicting their reliability with uncertainties.